Because of air duct cleaning, we were able to add filtration upgrades, UV upgrades, duct changeouts, complete system duct changeouts, and even equipment changeouts, or even higher service dollar tickets.
For anyone that's contemplating getting into duct cleaning, it's a great industry. Duct cleaning is where carpet cleaning was back in the late 60s and early 70s. Indoor air quality is just becoming top of mind for homeowners. Dust, allergies, mold issues, suspect mold issues, fungus and germs, COPD, breathing issues. These are all coming up more and more because our house construction now is tighter and tighter. We don't let fresh outdoor air into our homes anymore unless we're opening windows or opening doors.
The Brush Beast is the most powerful air duct system on the market. Equipped with the speed tray carrier, it's now the most portable. Multiple storage options and holders for your power tools, magnets for additional brushes, a fogger holder, and even a cup holder are all included on the speed tray carrier. Even better, the Brush Beast system can be operated and maneuvered up and down stairs by a single person. And with our exclusive RotoVision video inspection system, you can easily inspect the ductwork prior to or during cleaning.
Went to Las Vegas, checked out a company there. Went to Grapevine, Texas, checked out Rotobrush, checked with negative air companies. And since I was going to be the guy in the field to start with, and the first 1,000 jobs we did, I was the guy in the field. I wanted the product that worked the best and had easiest use, and that ended up being the Rotobrush product.
When I initially decided to get into indoor air quality, I started my research and development and looked at all the different types of processes and procedures in cleaning air ducts. And I chose the Rotobrush cleaning technique and equipment because of ease of use.
I chose Rotobrush because when I started my buying process with them, I felt the way they conducted their business was the way I conducted my business. It was a very easy process. They allowed me to do my shopping, and they made me feel comfortable with the purchase that I was about to make.
Rotobrush, the leader in indoor air quality for over 25 years. Call us today at 1-800-535-3878.